PrestaShop B2B Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think building an online store is complicated, but PrestaShop's B2B platform simplifies e-commerce for businesses of all sizes. PrestaShop is an open-source e-commerce solution that lets you create customizable online stores. Its B2B features include advanced pricing rules, customer segmentation, bulk ordering, and tailored catalogs for different clients. One standout feature is its flexibility. You can adapt the store to your business model without being locked into a rigid platform. Most people get this wrong. They assume open-source platforms require deep technical knowledge. The surprising truth is PrestaShop has user-friendly modules and templates that allow non-developers to launch a professional B2B store. It also integrates with payment gateways, shipping providers, and marketing tools to streamline operations. Another advantage is scalability. Whether you're a small supplier or a growing enterprise, PrestaShop's modular architecture can support expanding product lines, new sales channels, and international operations. Analytics tools help track orders, customer behavior, and performance metrics to make informed business decisions. However, there are considerations. While basic setup is straightforward, some advanced features require technical expertise or paid modules. Hosting, security, and maintenance are your responsibility, unlike fully managed platforms. In conclusion, PrestaShop B2B is ideal for businesses seeking a flexible, scalable e-commerce solution. Its combination of customization, B2B-specific tools, and analytics makes it a powerful choice for companies wanting control over their online operations. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce platform reviews before building your online store.